Hi fellow bridge lovers, I'm Anna Lervik, the second half of LF Bridge. Today I'm going to present an important cornerstone in the LF Bridge system called PODOR. This is a mechanism designed to describe the opener's points as well as it deals with interference by opponents during the point count inquiry. This convention is very important and precise to tell the exact points of the opener. LF Bridge is basically composed on a wide opening range. An opening bid, non-vulnerable, can contain from 9 to 22 points, and invulnerable, the points are between 11 and 22. A wide range of points totally hopeless for any partner to deal with. As the opening hand can contain as much as 22 points, which is almost enough to beat game on its own, the partner must respond with 6+ points. The usual response is one no trump or, with 4 cards major or more, bid the major suit. This is also a signal to the opener about describing his hand more closely. There is a table 1 in LF Bridge systems that tells how the opener now rebids his points in 2 points increments. That is 11 to 12 points, 13 to 14 points, and so on. Now the partner have a complete insight in the partnership's total point count. Opponents sometimes interfere in the bidding. This doesn't avoid the opener from answering. No, the answering range is included with pass, double, and redouble in addition to table 1. PODOR means pass or double or redouble and enter into force when opponents interfere with overcall, double, or redouble. The PODOR bid is done stepwise according to the opener's holdings or point value. Need to define step. A step is normally the next higher bid, suit or no trump, or pass or double or redouble in line with opener's holdings or value. This will clarify on the below table, remembering that non-vulnerable starts at 9+ points or vulnerable at 11+ points. As LF Bridge also has a convention for telling about specific 4-4-4-1 hands, step 1 is reserved for showing that particular shape, as remembering that all answers to point count asking starts at step 2, unless you happen to have a 4-4-4-1 hand. If opponents interfere, we just continue our bids from the bid given by the opponent, where pass is the first bid. Remember, the first step always tells about the 4-4-4-1 shape and doesn't tell about the points at this stage. Step 2 is shown by doubling. Step 2 is literally the lowest point count. That will be 9 to 10 not vulnerable or 11 to 12 vulnerable. If you have more points than the lowest, you simply start to bid the colors upwards, not taking concern about bidding opponent's colors. No trump whatsoever, just tell the points. Actually, opponent's interference makes our task easier because we now can make use of opponent's bids. What is important is that we remember to alert all our bids and explain the meaning of them. Even the pass bid should be alerted. Finally, we present one board where PODOR is used. North has 11 points and starts the bidding by saying 1 heart. The bid fits perfectly into the vulnerable range and is alerted to 11 to 22 points and 4 plus hearts. He doubles to tell own opening value. Soph has 8 points and knows his partner has at least 11. Together they have at least about 20 and probably can make a pot score contract. Maybe even game if partner happens to have around 18. He now makes use of PODOR to ask for opener's point range. He therefore redoubles and says, "Partner, I have more than 6 points. How many have you?" West has 10 points and wants to be in the game. He bids 2 diamonds. Opener will now show her points. Remember, first step is always reserved for the shape of 4-4-4-1. The first step actually is pass, but she can't bid that. The next step is to double opponent's bid. This doubling simply means 11 to 12 points. No partner in Soph knows that the partnership just have enough points to reach a pot score and place the contract in 2 hearts. By bidding 2 hearts, he at the same time tells the opener that they probably don't have cards to make a game. Partner therefore pass. But East wants to play with and raise the East-West contract to 3 diamonds. Soph, with single diamond, support in heart and 1 ace, decides to place the North-South contract in 3 hearts, which was made to the point. A perfect example of how to use PODOR's asking bid. Good luck in using PODOR, everyone. Thank you so much.